Because my math teacher and my art teacher are the same ones, and math I don't like it, and that teacher, yeah,
And for the past master's ring, very much. And our school brother Ian for the response of the immediate past master.
Easy to weigh complex matters and render final decisions, especially on critical issues. Yet, in the face of uncertainty, we chose harmony over the dark path of discord, one that could have led to irreversible division among the brethren. Today, I am immensely proud that the brethren of Launlaan Lodge number 185 remain steadfast in our solemn obligations, upholding brotherly love and unity above all. This year, we initiated 6, passed 3, and raised 5 Master Masons, namely Brother John Paul Flores, Brother Rafael Joey Hasul, Brother Seth Aniceto Amugao, Brother Johan C., and Brother Mark Fajardo. These newly raised brethren were tested and proven to be able and proficient, truly standing a cut above the rest. We established clearer parameters and policies in the disbursement of financial assistance from our funds, which we have recently turned over to the incoming officers. We have dramatically increased and updated collection of our annual membership dues and significantly replenished our general funds to ensure the continued smooth operation of the lodge and to better prepare it in addressing future challenges. And thanks to the unwavering generosity of our brethren, we were once again able to reach out to those in need within our community. In our own simple yet meaningful ways, we brought hope to the cancer patients of V. Luna General Medical Hospital and to the abandoned children of Cribs Foundation Incorporated. We actively participated in the Brigada Escuela program of our Grand Master, Most Worshipful Raul Canon Jr., and adopted a school, Laong-Laan Elementary School in Sampaloc, Manila, providing eager students with their school supplies and other basic necessities. We also extended financial assistance to the children of the recovery unit of Healing Hands in Baguio City, as well as to the abandoned elderly of Anawim in Rodriguez, Rizal. We brought Superman and, more importantly, smiles to the children of Child House who are bravely battling cancer and shared an afternoon filled with joy and inspiration. Truly, it was a super afternoon of hope, service, and brotherly love. During our last anniversary, in the recently concluded Masonic District NCRE Sports Fest, we emerged as the overall champions. Crowned champions in both basketball and badminton. These triumphs mark our first and most coveted milestone in the proud history of our Mother Lodge. A testament to our unity, discipline, and unwavering brotherhood. We were deeply honored to masonically represent our lodge beyond our jurisdiction during our recent lodge visitation to Harmony Lodge number 10 under the Most Worshipful Grand Lodge of China in Taipei, Taiwan. It was truly a remarkable, meaningful, and fulfilling journey, an experience that will forever remain etched in my heart, and the one I will proudly share with all my brethren. Please allow me to take this opportunity to formally acknowledge the Worshipful Master of Harmony Lodge number 10 under the Most Worshipful Grand Lodge of China, Worshipful Brother Andy Malanga. Worshipful Brother, thank you for gracing us with your presence this afternoon. Your being here is a true honor to our lodge and a living testament of the strength and fraternal bonds beyond borders. And lastly, I wish to thank my family, my precious daughters, Mia and Bianca, and of course, my loving wife, Betchay. Through last year's toughest challenges, when my duties often kept me away from home, your unwavering support, patience, and understanding never faltered. Your love has been my constant source of strength and my greatest motivation. Everything I have accomplished is because of you. Please know that I love you more than words could ever truly express. On this note, every good story must indeed come to its destined end, and so the moment has come for me to take my final bow, and most especially before my beloved brethren of Laulaan. As I offer these parting words, I leave you not with a farewell, but with a charge. As I step down from the Oriental chair, I challenge each one of you to remain steadfast and ever committed to our duties and obligations, not only within the lodge, but in every aspect of our lives where true Masonry is tested and lived. May the memories we have built together during my term be forever cherished and carried in your hearts, as I shall carry each of you in mine. Serving you has been one of the greatest honors of my Masonic journey, an experience I will forever treasure. Brethren, this is your Kuyang Ian, CDO, humbly signing off as your Worshipful Master. Always remember, brethren, bawat isang Mason, mahalaga, each and every Mason is equally important. Kaya mabuhay ang Laulaan, mabuhay ang Masonarya. Maraming salamat po.